Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a Panera Bread credit card detailed guide step by step clearly. To install a Panera Bread credit card, start by visiting the official Panera Bread website. Locate the credit card section on the home page. Click on the link that directs you to credit card applications. Review the benefits and features of the Panera Bread credit card. Take note of any terms and conditions associated with the card. Select the Apply Now button to begin your application process. Fill out the required personal information on the application form. Provide your name, address, and date of birth accurately. Include your social security number for identification purposes. Enter your income information as prompted. Double-check all the information you've entered for accuracy. After confirming the details, submit your application. Wait for a confirmation message regarding your application status. If approved, you will receive your Panera Bread credit card by mail. Once you receive your card, activate it via the instructions provided. Log into your online account to manage your new credit card. Explore the rewards and benefits available to cardholders. Begin using your Panera Bread credit card to earn points on purchases. Keep track of your spending and rewards through your online account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.